Quick and easy coffee cake or muffin recipe. Hey there, coffee lovers and baking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful treat for you. A quick and easy coffee cake or muffin recipe that's perfect for your morning cup of joe or an afternoon snack. I'm Rishan, and let's get started. Ingredients. For the streusel topping. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup brown sugar, packed. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 cup chopped nuts, optional. For the cake or muffin batter. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2 large eggs. 1 cup sour cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Step 1. Make the streusel topping in a mixing bowl. Combine 1/2 cup flour, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/4 cup chopped nuts if you like a nutty topping. Cut in 1/4 cup cold butter using a pastry cutter or fork until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Set this aside. Step 2. Prepare the cake or muffin batter in a separate bowl. Whisk together 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Set this aside. Step 3. Mix the wet ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Cream together 1/2 cup softened butter and 1 cup granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in 1 cup sour cream and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Step 4. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Step 5. Assemble. Grease a 9 by 9 inch baking dish for coffee cake or line a muffin tin with cupcake liners for muffins. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared dish or muffin cups. Step 6. Add the streusel topping. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping over the batter. Add the remaining batter on top and finish with the rest of the streusel topping. Step 7. Bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Bake the coffee cake for 30-35 minutes or muffins for 20-25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 8. Serve. Allow your coffee cake or muffins to cool slightly before slicing or removing from the muffin tin. Enjoy your homemade quick and easy coffee cake or muffins with a hot cup of coffee or your favorite beverage. And there you have it, a quick and easy coffee cake or muffin recipe that's sure to satisfy your cravings. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Feel free to leave your comments below, and let us know how your coffee cake or muffins turned out. Thanks for joining us today, and happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Coarse Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.